Hey guys, it's Kem. My real name's Kem. In case you're curious, thank you for joining me for another video, and if you're new, then welcome. My dog is really making a lot of noise right now. Apologies if you can hear her. So, I just got out the shower. I did my first like DIY type clay wash, or is it a clay mask? I can't remember, but it's one of those, and it was by Beauty Nest by AF. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, so check that video out above if you would like to see that. After I use that clay mask, I use the Eco Slay shampoo to help me get rid of as much of the clay as I can, because y'all know I'm sloppy and I always miss spots. But now that all that is out the way, we are here because I am going to be going into a greater detail of this product, because I've noticed her oil is super popular and I can see why. But like this deep conditioner, this needs more light. So I decided to, sit down and actually apply it to each piece of my hair, because last time I used it on a video, it was just in the shower, so I didn't really separate my hair and I didn't really detangle or anything like that. And I didn't use heat to let it sit. So I'm going to do all that today. It's all about this deep conditioner today. So it is called the Deep Repair Deep Conditioner. It's a protein moisture replenisher for dry and damaged hair, and it strengthens and restores. It is 8 ounces. This says Deep Repair is a natural protein moisture deep conditioner that will help dry, damaged, chemically treated, or transitioning hair. It is packed with essential vitamins, antioxidants, and nutrients to help repair, strengthen, and promote your hair growth. It's cruelty-free with no sulfates, no silicones, no DEA testing, and no parabens. And the directions say to apply in sections on wet hair until product is evenly applied and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse. For deep conditioning, cover your hair for 30 minutes with a plastic cap to retain moisture. Okay, so this one doesn't specifically say to use heat, so I'll just follow the directions and put a plastic cap on for 30 minutes. The first couple ingredients are organic aloe juice, peppermint leaf extract, yucca leaf extract, horsetail leaf extract, and nettle leaf extract. So I think I mentioned this before, but I thought it was so cool how the first ingredient is aloe juice, because I've heard like aloe juice is good for your scalp and moisturizing and things like that. So I think that's kind of cool. And I've seen a lot of people use like aloe juice instead of water, like when they wet their hair. So anyway, I'm going to show you the texture of the product first. It is a looser texture. And it does have some little particles in it, some little herbs crushed up, which I actually love. It makes me feel like I'm really using like a natural product. But I'm about to separate my hair and then we're gonna get into this. So I'll be right back. I'll be distributing this product in 8 sections. I'll just split the 4 that I have in half. So this is the consistency. It reminds me of like a yogurt. Very creamy. I don't know what it smells like. It's like a very light scent. So I definitely recommend this if you prefer your products to have a lighter scent, like not perfumey or too strong. Because I know some people do mention that like strong scents like affect them and give them headaches and things like that. Like my mom is like that, so I recommend using this if you are scent sensitive. So from my personal experience, I definitely would recommend you applying this deep conditioner outside the shower. It does have a loose texture, so that's kind of harder to handle when your hands are soaking wet. And also it gives a lot more slip when your hair is in smaller sections. So because this is so light, it doesn't weigh my hair down at all, but my hair does feel good. It's like a proper balance of protein and moisture. Hey y'all. So this is the product fully applied to my hair, and I love how fluffy it looks. It looks nice and full. Do y'all see how full my hair looks? I love a protein moisture balance, and I'm gonna say it every time I use one of my videos, so y'all probably gonna hate me, but I love them. So this is how much I have left. It's about 1 use, unfortunately. So that means that I would have got 3 uses out of this, which is pretty good. It means that my hair is growing, because usually it takes like 4 or 5, but your girl hair growing. We got more hair on our head now. But anywho, if you would like to purchase these products, I know I should have mentioned this in the beginning, the middle, and the end, just to remind you guys, but I do have a coupon code. I will put it right here. If you would like, you can use the link in my bio and then use the code from there. Get you 15% off. You're welcome. This deep conditioner is the truth. And recently with my deep conditioners, I've been using oils to get a little hot oil treatment to go with the deep conditioner, because who doesn't love a 2-for-1? So obviously I'm going to use the Naturally Azelia Herbal Scalp and Hair Growth Serum. And I'm going to add that just like, oh my, who closed this? The Hulk? I'm stronger than I thought. Okay. So I love to show that it has like little herbs at the bottom of it. We love that. Oh, I'm supposed to shake it first. Okay. The first couple ingredients are castor seed oil, organic soybean oil, organic amla extract, and Eucalypta prostrata extract. I'll just wipe it off before I put it back in. Wow. Y'all, I don't know how many times I have to say this, but Naturally Azelia is what you need when you need scalp care. Like if you have an itchy or an inflamed scalp, these are the kind of products that you should pick up. Because for me, my scalp is always itchy, so this oil especially has been helping relieve that itch. And it's a growth oil. Who doesn't love that? So, yeah. This oil is her best seller, like I mentioned before. And I absolutely, definitely love it. And I'm just gonna take a little bit in the palm of my hands, rub it together, and then put it on my strands to help seal in the nutrients from the deep conditioner. My hair looking scrumptious. Anyway, I'm going to sit around for about half an hour and rinse my hair out, and then we'll be back for our final results. I shall see you soon. Okay, y'all, so I left my hair in the plastic cap for about a half an hour, rinsed out with warm water, and then I had it up in a towel and like my, what are these, microfiber twist towel things. I had it up in that for probably about 20 minutes. So here is how my hair is looking. Y'all, don't even lie to me so you don't see how like soft my hair looks. Every time I use this, it just gets better and better. Oh my gosh, my hair feels so good. It's not like the most moisturized I've ever felt before, because obviously there's protein in this deep conditioner, so it's a perfect balance of softness with strength, and my hair looks great. It literally looks amazing. Kind of shiny a little bit. Y'all. I love this stuff. I've only used these two paired together. I mean, I'm sure this is amazing on its own, but this just probably gives it a little bit of extra oomph. So yeah, these two are definitely my two favorite products, hands down. They go perfectly together. I'm sure they work. Well, I know the oil just works, period. Like whenever you have an itchy scalp, that oil, it helps it out. Like it just soothes it. And you can actually use it daily. It's not one of those like harsher oils that you have to use like once a week. This one says that you can use it daily. So my scalp, if it itches daily, guess what's going in my hair? That product. Sadly, I'm more than halfway done. It's because I love it so much. So like I'm running out of these two products. A little bit stressed about it, but it's okay. Yeah, so I've just been rambling because I just love Naturally Azelia. The owner, love her, Tara. She's so sweet. So sweet, guys. So if you have not already, make sure you shop her products. Hey Mia. Make sure you shop Naturally Azelia's products. Like I mentioned before, link in the description box. If you click that link, it'll send you to her website, and then you can use my code KEMKEM15 for 15% off your purchase. I hope y'all add this deep conditioner into your cart. That's all I'm gonna say. Especially if you have high porosity hair. But that's because I have high porosity, so I can tell. Anyway, it might work amazing for low porosity hair too. I just don't personally experience that. But yeah, I recommend you guys try them out. Oh, and also make sure you follow her on Instagram because she does do giveaways and things like that. So that will be linked down below. And I also have all my other coupon codes down below too. So make sure you take a look. But yeah, y'all, I think my hair has said enough. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a cousin to tell a cousin, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.